Welcome, folks. My favorite place right now. We're gonna talk about the bad discover questions. The one that I've been asking myself, the one that I saw other people were asking, and today we're unpacking one, which is, would you like me to show you how this works? Normally, you would say this before presenting a deck, or before presenting a product or a demo, if you have something that you can visibly show. There is nothing wrong in particular with asking this question, but you can make it better. So if you just say, would you like me to show you how this works, you automatically play the lower position. So the buyer leads, the buyer tells you what you need to do. You're like a puppy dog. It's not bad position, you can close deals like that, but there's going to be a higher chance, if you want to really level up in your sales skills, it's better if you start leading the call. So when I say leading the call, what does it actually mean? It means that instead of asking just this question, you can say, okay, Mr. Prospect, you mentioned X, Y, and Z, that's important for you, or that's a pain. Do you want to discover that in demo, how we solve that specifically? Or are you interested in that? And then they're going to be like, oh yeah, for sure, that we will want that. And you're like, okay, and what's the priority for you here? What's the thing that you want to see the most? And they're going to tell you, oh, we want to see X, Y, and Z. And you ask that because they will tell you how to sell to them. Very simple. If you just say, hey, would you like me to show you how this works? And they tell you, well, good job. You have to tell everything that you know about that feature, because you don't really know, without any clarification, what exactly are they interested in. And if you're trying to explain a hard concept, that's a problem. Now, if you want to get more questions like this, like a cheat sheet, something that you can see in front of you from all the questions that I've seen, something you can just go and memorize and then never make the same mistake again and again and again, is going to be a part of materials in the new Web3 Sales Gym course that I'm preparing. And by the first link in the description, you can sign up for the waitlist. Everybody in the waitlist are essentially getting 50% off. So be my guest, and if you want to join the Web3 Sales Gym, or you want to be a part of the larger community, or just want to see more videos from old Nicolai and Web3 Sales Gym, you have the channel. There's more than, I think, 200 or 300 videos on it. So find something to your own liking and go improve your sales game. Thank you so much. On Thursday, we're going to see you with another bad discover question. Bye-bye.